Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change country on YouTube mobile. So if you want to change the content or if you want to change the YouTube specific region or area, so you guys have to just simply change the YouTube country or location. So I'm going to tell you how you can change it and how it affect the quality of content. So you guys have to just simply tap on the below right corner of your profile icon, and here you guys have to just simply tap on the upper top right corner of settings. So in the settings you guys have to just simply tap on general. So in the general you guys have to just simply scroll down until you find an option which is location. So you guys have to just simply tap on it and it will provide you a list of all countries. So you guys have to just simply swiping up and select the country which you want to change. So after selecting the specific country, your quality of content will be changed according to this country, and you guys can see the trends on the specific country by just changing the location, and it will change the preferences of all the YouTube, and you guys can remain up to date with any specific country. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.